Introducing the BYD Seal 06, 2025, the sleek new contender in BYD's ever-growing electric family. Positioned as a stylish compact sedan, the Seal 06 combines futuristic design with everyday practicality. Its aerodynamic silhouette, LED lighting signature, and sharp detailing make it look like it belongs in a concept car gallery. Built on BYD's advanced e-platform 3.0, the Seal 06 is efficient, intelligent, and made for the modern driver. With a focus on affordability and cutting-edge tech, it's ideal for first-time EV buyers or city commuters. The Seal 06 is BYD's answer to the Tesla Model 3, but with a fresh, bold attitude. This car is not just coming for the road, it's coming for the future. Now, you might not expect a compact electric sedan to perform well off the beaten path, but the Seal 06 holds its own. While it's not designed for rugged terrain, its low center of gravity and smart traction control allow it to stay composed on wet roads, gravel paths, and light off-road detours. Thanks to its balanced chassis and responsive steering, it maintains stability and control on uneven surfaces. It also features drive mode settings that subtly adjust throttle and traction for better grip. This means weekend getaways or unexpected road conditions won't leave you stranded. For a sedan in its class, the Seal 06 shows unexpected confidence beyond the pavement. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, the BYD Seal 06 packs pure electric performance. Depending on the variant, you get either a single-motor FWD or a dual-motor AWD setup. Horsepower ranges from a solid 204 horsepower to 314 horsepower, offering quick acceleration and a smooth, responsive ride. The Blade battery provides a range of around 500 to 610 kilometers, making it perfect for both city driving and highway cruising. Instant torque and seamless power delivery make the Seal 06 feel lively and precise. It's built for efficient commuting without sacrificing fun behind the wheel. This isn't just about electric driving, it's about smart performance that adapts to your lifestyle. Step inside the Seal 06, and you'll find a surprisingly upscale and tech-focused interior for its class. A large rotating central touchscreen takes center stage, integrating navigation, entertainment, and climate controls. The digital instrument cluster is crisp, customizable, and easy to read. Soft touch surfaces, ambient lighting, and a minimalist layout make the cabin feel spacious and serene. Voice commands, app-based controls, and wireless smartphone integration elevate the smart experience. The rear seats offer generous legroom, making it comfortable for passengers too. It's not just functional, it feels like a lounge on wheels, designed for a new generation of electric drivers. When parked in public, the BYD Seal 06 still turns heads with its clean, sporty design. Its flush door handles, sharp profile, and futuristic light bar give it a premium look that stands out among gas-powered rivals. But it's not just about style, smart tech helps make parking a breeze. The 360-degree camera, automated parking assist, and rear cross-traffic alert make urban parking stress-free. Whether you're sliding into a tight spot at the supermarket or backing into a curbside space, the Seal 06 makes it look easy. And let's be honest, people will stop and stare. It's a budget-friendly EV that looks anything but basic.